Audio-Technica is a well-known audio company. Their headphone offerings from the ATH-MXX series have been among the most recommended headphones. The Audio-Technica ATH-MSR7 combines pro-grade sonic skills, a premium design, and also boasts new Audio-Technica. They are a great headphone designed for listening both at home and on the go. In this review, I cover the Audio-Technica ATH-MSR7GM design, comfort and fit, audio quality, and its package and accessories. I also do a comparison of the ATH-MSR7 to the Takstar Pro 82-MXX and Sony MDR 1A. The design of the Audio-Technica ATH-MSR7 strictly resembles the Sony. However, the Audio-Technica ATH-MSR7 is more refined, and the build quality and material selection are top-notch. The ATH-MSR7 is a closed-back over-ear headphone. The ear cups are large, and the padding material has a great feeling to it. The headphone is constructed from metal and plastic parts. The build quality is consistent, and when handled, the headphone does not feel loose or creaky. The headband looks like it's stitched cleanly and feels secure as well. The backs of the ear cups are made with aluminum, which gives them a high-end headphone feel of quality at this price range. Apart from the metallic out cups, most of the ear cup features thick plastic parts, which is hard to distinguish from the real metal. It is also worth mentioning that Audio-Technica uses the dual-layer air control technology in the ATH-MSR. This means that the ear cups have two metal chambers after the driver. This, according to Audio-Technica, helps reduce unwanted resonance and controls the airstream for better audio clarity. A soft protein leather material fully covers the headband. It is lightly padded on the sides and grows in thickness as you approach where it sits on the head. The padding material does not appear to be memory foam and can get a bit uncomfortable after long sessions sitting on top of your head. The clamping pressure is also too high when the headphone is first used. However, the metal bands seem sturdy enough to be bent to lessen the clamping pressure. Metallic bands hold together the headband to the ear cups. The metal bands also allow the earbuds to be adjusted to fit most head sizes better. Both sides can be adjusted either up and down, and a lock-in mechanism with grooves ensures it does not move once set up. Apart from going up and down, the ear cups also rotate sideways. This makes it a great portable option because when not in use, you can just hang them around your neck and let the ear cups lie on the chest comfortably. The ATH-MSR7 is an over-ear headphone, and the earpads signify this very prominently. The ear cups are big, and a decent oval opening should fit most ear sizes out there. The depth, however, is not that great, and I found my ears touching around the edges, which gets a bit uncomfortable after a while. The earpads are plush and soft to the touch. They are padded with memory foam-like material, which improves the overall comfort levels of the headphone. The ATH-MSR7 has good attributes in the design and build quality. However, does it live up to its good looks? The MSR7 does not disappoint. Overall, the ATH-MSR7 boasts a well-balanced sound signature with a slightly bright treble. The bass is present and very well rendered, but it is slightly low in quantity. This headphone is not for bass heads. However, do not get me wrong. The bass is that it does not have the heavy bass thrills you get with bass-heavy headphones like the M50X. For bass-oriented genres, it can get very tight and controlled thumps, but don't expect too much of it. The mid-range remains clear and is undistorted. Female vocals and other instruments like violins, guitars, and trumpets are forward and very natural. This might be attributed to the rising upper mid-section. The treble response of the ATH-MSR7 is slightly bright. The ATH-MSR7 frequency is slightly boosted from the upper mid-range up to the lower treble. Because of this, the headphone sounds a little bright, but overall well controlled. For people who are treble sensitive, this might be too much for them. I would encourage you to audition the headphone first before you decide to buy and keep it. For a closed-back headphone, the soundstage of the ATH-MSR7 is fine. However, the imaging is what impresses me about the ATH-MSR7. It gives a good and clear sense of the direction the sound is coming from. This makes the ATH-MSR7 not only suitable for music, but gamers will all. I hope you found this video helpful. It's my pleasure if you are helped a little at least. If you have anything to query for, please comment us below. Thank you for watching this video.